Look, when people say GenAI is taking over, they make it sound like some apocalyptic scenario where ChatGPT wakes up, downloads VS Code, and instantly gets hired as a senior engineer at Meta. Relax. Right now, taking over mostly means three things. 1. AI is eating the boring parts of our work. Documentation, it's done by AI. Creating mock data, also done by AI. But explaining to your PM why the feature isn't ready, okay, that one is still on you. AI can't lie that confidently yet. 2. AI is becoming your extremely unstable pair programmer. It writes code, it breaks code, it gaslights you into thinking you wrote the bug. Basically, it's like working with a junior dev who had too much caffeine and not enough training. 3. AI is becoming the first draft of everything. Designs, scripts, emails you pretend to care about. Soon even your excuses for not hitting deadlines will be AI generated. So why are people freaking out? Because humans love drama, and also because 1. The tech changes are insanely fast. You learn one model, boom, 5 new ones appear overnight like Pokemon you didn't ask for. 2. Every CEO is shouting, AI will change everything. Yeah, calm down. You just say that to pump your stocks and please the investors. 3. People confuse AI helps me work better with AI will steal everything from me. No, AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to take your meetings, a fair trade. So, what's actually happening? Alright, let's break it down, like we're explaining it to someone who still thinks RAM is the same as storage. So first of all, know that GenAI is nothing but models that generate things. Basically text, images, code, music, videos, dreams, your next existential crisis, whatever you want. Some popular examples are ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Second, GenAI, learn patterns from tons of data. No, they're not thinking. No, they don't have feelings. If ChatGPT says, I understand your pain, it's lying. So then, why does this feels like a takeover? Because it's insanely accessible. Anyone with a laptop and Wi-Fi can feel like a 10 times engineer today, even you. And 2, it handles real work tasks. Coding, brainstorming, debugging. If AI had hands, it would probably ask for a keyboard shortcut for coffee. And 3, it changes how we build things. Instead of starting from scratch, we start from a generated draft. Humans now do the final 20%, the part that requires judgment, ethics, or just basic common sense, which, let's be honest, we also sometimes lack. So should you be worried? The short answer is, only if you refuse to adapt. And the long answer is, look, the people getting replaced aren't the ones using AI. It's the ones pretending it doesn't exist. The people who say, I will code everything manually because real developers suffer. So, what you should do and not do. Okay, some real tips incoming. 1. Use AI daily for brainstorming, debugging, documenting, learning. Treat it like an overpowered calculator. 2. Learn how to ask good prompts. Prompting is just communicating clearly, which already puts you ahead of 70% of developers. 3. Keep your fundamentals strong. AI is amazing, but if you don't understand the code it generates, you're basically copy-pasting spells from Stack Overflow without knowing if you're summoning a feature or a daemon. And what you should not do is freak out, or believe every AI hype headline, or turn into an AI influencer posting 12 threads a day. So yes, GenAI is taking over, not in a Skynet will destroy us way, more like a your job will feel different, your workflow will level up, and your excuses will get a lot more creative kind of way. You just need to adapt, stay curious, and maybe occasionally take a break and experience real life for a moment.